What's shaking, gang? Yeehaw! Give it a go! All right, so ran into a little bit of trouble today. Not trouble as much as a delay. Long story short, I'm not going to bore you with all the details. I'll recap that later on. But I ended up getting to it. I didn't get as far as I wanted to today because I hit a charging station that all the chargers were not working except one. And thank God for a super cool guy in his Rivian. He kind of hung out with me and we talked a little bit. Couldn't get the charger working. I waited 2.5 hours, put me back 2.5 hours. I wasn't sure if I had enough range and miles to get to the next town. And I technically did. 6 miles to spare. But nonetheless, he let me jump in line in front of him. I charged. We hung out. It was super cool. This is what road tripping's all about. It's about meeting cool people, man. So awesome. Even the guy before him that was charging, he gave me the heads up that none of the chargers worked. I ended up calling in. I called Electrify America, and they confirmed everything. All the chargers were down. They were having problems with them. And so really the first time on this trip where I've experienced something like that. Anywho, put me back. I couldn't get to where I wanted to be, which was Santa Fe, because I wanted to stay at this cool motel. And so didn't make it. On my way to Albuquerque, and then I ran into this. So, sorry, I'm gonna show you what, in the middle of nowhere, all of a sudden, like an oasis on the freeway, I turn and I see, well, look at the neon arrows. What? Oh, does that say Route 66 Casino? What? What? Is this what I see? Get down, baby. Hot diggity dog. Yep, we are going to the casino, baby. We're going to stay at this hotel. I was going to make it to Albuquerque, but I thought, why? Why should I drive another 30 minutes? I'm going to stay here tonight, and then I'm going to roll myself up to the tables, baby. Let's play a little blackjack. Not really blackjack. I'm more of a poker guy. Let's play a little Let 'em Ride. Let's play a little Texas Hold'em. Oh, my God, I'm so excited. I hope they have a room. It'll be like this. If they don't have a room, this is what it'll be like. But positive vibes, baby. Positive vibes. Hot diggity dog. Let's go. All right, I'll catch up with you tomorrow, and I'll let you all know how it all turned out. I'm going to make $1 million, man. Positive vibes, I'll make $1 million. Let's go. Woo! Peace.